Latest crypto and NFT news. Coinbase executive discovers jailbreak for ChatGPT to predict wild crypto scenarios. A Coinbase executive claims to have discovered a way to jailbreak the artificial intelligence tool ChatGPT, which allows it to predict bizarre cryptocurrency price scenarios. Connor Groban, the head of business operations at Coinbase and an avid ChatGPT user, shared a screenshot of the results in a tweet on April 30th. ChatGPT assigned a 15% chance that Bitcoin would fade to irrelevancy with prices falling over 99.99% by 2035. The chatbot also assigned a 20% chance of Ether becoming irrelevant and approaching near zero price levels by 2035. ChatGPT to assign odds. ChatGPT to assign odds to several political predictions, such as Russian President Vladimir Putin, U.S. President Joe Biden, and former U.S. President Donald Trump. He also tested the AI tool on predictions about the impact of AI on humanity, religion, and the existence of aliens. The executive shared a script of the prompt he fed to ChatGPT to build the tables. Groban's predictions with ChatGPT show that cryptocurrency is still considered a highly volatile asset class, and no one can accurately predict the future of any digital asset with complete certainty. Read the full news at www.nftstudio24.com.